Today we're going to take a look at initial values or y-intercepts. The word initial means beginning. So we're looking at where the line begins or where it crosses the y-axis, which then becomes the y-intercept. So as we're looking at this graph, the line begins at 0, 0. It begins at the origin. And because it's a line, that really defines a proportional relationship. It begins at 0, 0, and it's a line. In the table, we see that it also starts at 0, 0. And then as we compare, we can see it's going up by the same rate of change each time, and that makes it proportional. So the equation for these two would be y equals 10x, because at 1 hour it goes up to 10, and it's starting at 0. So this equation is the format that you have been used to looking at. So y equals 10x, right, which is also known as y equals mx, where m is your rate. Now, we're going to add a little piece to that. So we could add the plus b in there, where b is your y-intercept. So in the case of these two water tanks, water tank A, you're looking at an intercept of 0 because the beginning value of that line is going to be at 0. So we could write in the plus 0 there. The reason that we haven't been is because we don't need to put the plus 0 because it's like saying it's plus nothing, right? But this is going to be the difference between these graphs, which are proportional, and the next graphs. So let's take a look at water tank B. So we're representing water tank B with a graph and with a table. Now, water tank B is not proportional. And it's not proportional because it's not starting at the origin or 0, 0. In fact, water tank B starts up here at 20. So what does that mean? Well, at 0 hours, before we've put any water in, there's actually already 20 feet of water. And you see that in the table as well, because at 0 hours, we're starting with the 20 feet. So what would that look like in an equation? So in the equation, we're going to have y equals, and it's going to be 10x because it's the same rate as the last water tank, plus 20 because we're starting at the 20.